Meera was a bright and curious girl who lived in a small village. Everyone in the village spoke the local language, but Meera had a dream. She wanted to learn English. She knew that learning English would help her get better opportunities and allow her to communicate with people from different places. But there was one problem. Meera didn't know where to start. One day, Meera went to her father and said, Papa, I want to learn English, but I don't know how. Can you help me? Her father smiled and said, Meera, learning a language takes time, but if you are determined, you can do it. Start with small steps. First, learn the basics and then practice every day. I'll help you. Meera was excited. She decided to start learning English step by step. Her father gave her a small English book with simple words. Every day, Meera would read a few pages from the book, learning new words like apple, tree, and house. She practiced saying the words out loud and tried to remember them. At first, it was difficult for Meera. The words sounded strange, and she often forgot what they meant. But Meera didn't give up. She made a notebook and wrote down all the new words she learned. Every night, she would revise the words before going to bed. As the days passed, Meera's vocabulary grew. She could now say simple sentences like, This is my book, or I like to play. But Meera knew that learning words wasn't enough. She needed to understand how to use them in conversations. One day, while walking through the village, Meera saw a group of children speaking in English. They were tourists visiting the village. Meera was nervous but excited. She wanted to talk to them and practice her English, but she felt shy. What if they didn't understand her? But Meera remembered her father's words, learning takes time and you must practice. Gathering her courage, Meera approached the children and said, Hello. My name is Meera. How are you? The children smiled and replied, Hello, Meera. We are fine. How are you? Meera was thrilled. She had just had her first conversation in English. It was a small conversation, but it gave her confidence. She realized that speaking English wasn't as scary as she thought. From that day, Meera decided to practice speaking English with anyone she could. At home, Meera started talking to herself in English. When she looked at an object, she would say its name in English. She also began watching English cartoons on TV. At first, she didn't understand everything, but slowly, she started picking up more words and phrases. One day, her teacher at school announced that there would be an English competition. Each student had to write a short story in English and read it in front of the class. Meera was excited but nervous. She had never written a full story in English before. She went home and told her father about the competition. Papa, I want to participate, but I'm scared. What if I make mistakes? Her father smiled and said, Meera, mistakes are part of learning. Don't be afraid to make them. The more you practice, the better you will get. Taking her father's advice, Meera started working on her story. She wrote about her favorite animal, the elephant. It was simple, but she made sure to use the English words she had learned. Her father helped her correct the mistakes, and soon her story was ready. On the day of the competition, Meera stood in front of her classmates, her heart beating fast. But as she started reading, she gained confidence. She spoke clearly and proudly. When she finished, everyone clapped for her. Mira felt proud of herself. She realized that learning English was a journey, and every step, no matter how small, was important. Over time, her English skills improved. She could now have conversations, read books, and write stories in English. One evening, Mira sat with her father and asked, Papa, how did I learn English so well? Her father smiled and said, You learned English because you never gave up. You practiced every day, you weren't afraid of making mistakes, and you found ways to use English in your daily life. That's the secret to learning any language. Mira nodded. She understood that learning a language isn't about being perfect, it's about progress. Every word she learned, every sentence she spoke, brought her closer to her goal. Years passed, and Mira became fluent in English. She helped other children in her village learn English too. She always told them, Don't worry if you make mistakes. Keep practicing, and one day, you will speak English with confidence. Mira's journey of learning English taught her that hard work, patience, and practice are the keys to success. No matter how difficult something seems at first, if you keep trying, you will achieve your dreams. Moral: learning a new skill, like English, takes time, practice, and patience. Don't be afraid to make mistakes and always keep trying. Over time, you will improve and succeed.